Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can remove or erase objects from your Lucidchart whiteboard presentations, like for example drawings you have added to your presentations and whiteboards. So let us guide you through it. So guys, navigate to whiteboard presentation, and I added this hand drawing here, as you can see, using the pen tool. You may access it here at the bottom, click into it, and you will find the eraser tool here as well. Click into the drop-down menu at the bottom and select either erase all, the entire drawing. So let me do that. Press Ctrl Z to restore the drawing, or use the pixel or object eraser from that menu. Now, if you'd like to go to object eraser, select it and simply click into the element of your drawing you would like to remove. Now, as you can see, it doesn't work with text box or shapes or any other elements. It works only for drawings. And if you'd like to use the the pixel eraser, select it and go pixel by pixel. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.